Hi, I will trim my hair because the ends are so dry. Ang pangit ng lighting. Nothing much happened. It's still fluffy because wavy yung buhok ko. And then pag sinuklay ko siya, it will fluff like this. So, maliligo ako and then yun talaga yung itsura niya once it dries. I think it turned out good. Sobrang init. Hindi naman sobra. Wait na. Parang ayoko tuloy lumabas ng bahay. What if na mag-absent na lang ako? Oh my God, para naman akong sasagal nito. Hala siya. Wait, nakalimutan ko. Wait, teka lang. Joke lang, guys. Bye. It's giving sun kiss. Hindi na lang pantay. Nakakatakot mag-blush pag naka-white uniform. Okay. Inaubos ko na lang to. Fit me powder. This one's my all-time favorite.
$17 lang to.
Bilhin mo na. So cute.
Mayroon pa kami sulat pang kami.
Nagtatampo, hindi kasama sa vlog. Golden hour sa UP. Dami palang tao, nag-vlog ako. I'm so sleepy and I'm about to get ready for bed while I'm already in bed. Pero ayun, hindi pa ako nakapag-skincare, and before ako mag-skincare, I just want to let you guys know that I'm a TikTok affiliate, so follow nyo yung account ko, linked in the description box. Yun lang, good night! By the way, ang ganda ng lip gloss ko. Love it!
Here at 𝐢𝐧𝐪𝐿-Dasmariñas. We're at the Salle University-Dasmariñas.